What's up, guys? Cheers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at Dbrand's screen protector for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Now, this is not their newest screen protector. The newest one is the Prism 2.0, and I do have those on the way. But I did purchase these when they first announced the Google Pixel 9 Pro. So without further ado, let's see what we get inside. Like always, very nice packaging from Dbrand. They always do a good job on that, and you get two tempered glass screen protectors and a pyramid squeegee. Now the Prism 2.0 is gonna have the installation idiot proof installation kit, basically, so that one's gonna be a lot better than this one, but they do still have these on sale on their website, and they are a tidbit cheaper. So if you want to go ahead and save yourself some money, go ahead and pick these up right here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab this. Let me see if this is gonna work. Oh, this thing is huge. I think I grabbed the wrong one. Bam. This one is for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. They look the same. They look the same. The packaging looks the same. You can grab it for the XL and 9 Pro as well. And here is the one for the 9 Pro. Let's go ahead and same packaging, same everything, just different size. Same squeegee. Go ahead and put that aside. And let me see if this is gonna work here. Perfect. 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 Perfecto. And there you have it. Very flawless installation. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It works just perfectly with the Thinborn Aramid fiber case. It absolutely just works super good. This tempered glass screen protector almost goes edge to edge. It leaves very minimal gappage between the front portion of the Thinborn case, which is absolutely crazy that it works just fine with it. If you get the Thinborn case, I suggest you just get this bad boy as well, because it absolutely goes hand in hand. Very good. And as you can see, touch sensitivity is there. Let me go ahead and unlock this bad boy. And touch sensitivity is there as this thing boots up. Well, there you have it, guys. That is Dbrand's, I think it's like Prism 1.0, probably what it's called. A couple pros that I like about this: it goes edge to edge. The glass is very durable. It doesn't break. I do have a short right there, kind of me squeezing the glass, and it takes, oh, I don't even think it breaks on that one, but it takes a tremendous force for it to snap in half. So this tempered glass screen protector they use is absolutely fantastic. Couple cons that I don't like about this is it doesn't come with a installation tray. Everything right now comes with the installation tray, making the install super easy. And the new ones come with a auto dust removal. I want to see that in the Prism 2.0. Hopefully it does. I think they do say it does come with that auto dust removal or anything like that. But there you have it, guys. This is Dbrand's screen protector for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Currently on the Thinborn Aramid fiber case, and it absolutely looks fantastic. It plays very good with it. Look at that. Look at those edges. Absolutely looks amazing. It doesn't get better than that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this tempered glass screen protector or the case itself, please leave them down in the comment section below. Also in the description of the video, you'll find links to the case and also links to the screen protector. Bam, look at that bad boy. Absolutely looks beautiful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.